We are starting with our first letter. As we follow the program of handwriting without tears, we will be using the parts of the madman cutouts to form the letters. Formation is very important to develop the child's writing skills. This year, we will be teaching the children the starting point of the letter by using a smiley. For the child's better understanding, handwriting without tears has a pattern and we will be following the same. So the first letter we will be learning is the letter F. We will be teaching the children to identify the uppercase and the lowercase. To simplify this, we will be using the term mama letter for uppercase and baby letter for lowercase. This is mama F and this is baby F.
I'm going to show you some few things that make sound. Listen carefully. This is a bell. This is the sound of a whistle. Did you hear? This was the sound of a dog barking. Now that you have heard different sounds, letters also make different sounds. F says. Now look at the fish. Fish. This is a picture of a fan. 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 Now you can try. Fan. This is a picture of a fox. 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 Now let's try fox. Very good.
Each letter has a sound. It is called the phonics sound. Let us teach the children today a letter, the phonics sound and the phonics song. We begin with the letter F. The phonics sound of F is Children, please look at my mouth. How I make the phonics sound. F sound is Let us sing a song, a phonics song about a fish. Listen carefully. My friends and I went to the beach with a floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. My friends and I went to the beach with a floating fish. It caught a hole, the air came out. Did you get the sound?
Now I'm going to trace the letter F in the salt tray. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump, back to the top, small line across, come to the middle, small line across, letter F. Let's do it again. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump, back to the top, small line across, come to the middle, small line across, letter F.
Children, we are going to learn to place these cutouts to make the letter F. For this activity, we need a worksheet with a smiley on top in the corner and a big line down and two small lines. So let's start to form the letter F. We place this big line just below the smiley like this. Look at this. I have placed it below the smiley. Now this line is called the line down. See, I'll do it again. This is called the line down. Now we have to go back to the top. How do we go? Have you seen a frog jump? Come on, with our two fingers, we will jump just like the frog would do. Jump on top and we put a line across. We use a small line, pick up the small line and place it right on top like this. This is called the line across. Now to make the letter F, we need another small line over here. So we pick up the small line and place it in the middle like this. Now look at this, children. Do you know this letter? I'm sure you will know the letter by now. This letter is called the capital letter F. Come on, let's try it again. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump back to the top, small line across, come to the middle, small line across, letter F. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump back to the top, small line across, come to the middle, small line across, letter F. You will have fun doing it, but remember, place it just below the smiley and your letter is ready.
Let's start with wet, dry, try method. Parents, you have to write letter F like this on the slate. For this activity, we require a slate, a smiley sticker that is placed on the border, a chalk and a wet sponge. Parents, after you have written letter F, give a wet sponge to your child, and as they trace with the wet sponge, they have to say, start at the top, big line down, frog jump, back to the top, small line across, come to the middle, small line across, letter F, letter F. Let's do it again. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump, back to the top, small line across, come to the middle, small line across, letter F, letter F. Small line across, letter F, letter F. And now let it dry and then you can try it again.